Imagine a world where a new life-saving drug is discovered not in 10 years, but in just 12 months. Where artificial intelligence predicts drug failure before clinical trials even begin. And where pharmaceutical companies develop personalized medicines specifically for your DNA. Sounds futuristic? Well, this is already happening. And today, we're diving into how AI and digital transformation are revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry. Welcome to Pharmalytics, the platform where we simplify pharmaceutical science, industry insights, and global pharma careers. If you're a pharma student, researcher, industry professional, or someone interested in the future of healthcare, this channel is for you. In today's video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming drug discovery, how digital transformation is reshaping pharma manufacturing and quality systems, and what these changes mean for future pharma professionals worldwide. Traditionally, drug discovery takes 10 to 15 years and costs billions of dollars. But with AI, pharmaceutical companies can analyze millions of molecular structures in minutes. Machine learning models now help scientists predict drug target interactions, identify potential toxicity early, optimize lead compounds faster. Companies like major biotech innovators and global pharmaceutical firms are already integrating AI-driven drug discovery platforms. The result? Faster innovation, lower development costs, and potentially more life-saving therapies reaching patients sooner. Clinical trials are one of the most expensive and complex stages of drug development. But AI is changing that too. Artificial intelligence can now identify the right patient populations using real-world health data, predict trial outcomes and risks, improve patient recruitment and retention. This means trials can become faster, smarter, and more efficient, ultimately accelerating regulatory approval and patient access to new treatments. Beyond research labs, digital transformation is also reshaping pharmaceutical manufacturing. Technologies such as digital twins, smart manufacturing systems, advanced process analytics, and automated quality management systems are enabling what many call Pharma 4.0. Manufacturing facilities are now becoming data-driven and highly automated, which is really improving product quality, regulatory compliance, and production efficiency. And most importantly, patient safety. In regulated markets like the United States, United Kingdom, European Union, Canada, and Australia, maintaining compliance with regulatory authorities is critical. AI is now being used in quality management systems, deviation and kappa analysis, predictive quality monitoring, pharmacovigilance, and drug safety monitoring. This allows companies to move from reactive quality management to predictive quality assurance. So, what does this mean for future pharma professionals? The pharmaceutical industry is evolving rapidly, and the most valuable professionals will combine pharmaceutical knowledge with digital skills. Some key skills for the future include data analytics in pharma, AI applications in drug development, digital GMP and smart manufacturing, and regulatory science in the digital era. Professionals who understand both science and technology will lead the next generation of pharmaceutical innovation. Artificial intelligence and digital transformation are no longer optional for the pharmaceutical industry. They are becoming the core drivers of innovation, efficiency, and global healthcare advancement. The question is no longer whether pharma will adopt AI. The real question is how fast the industry can adapt. If you want to stay updated with global pharmaceutical trends, industry insights, and career guidance, make sure to subscribe to Pharmalytics, like this video, and share it with colleagues, students, or professionals interested in the future of pharma. Also, comment below. How do you think AI will change the pharmaceutical industry in the next 10 years? Your insights could spark an important discussion.